Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a really quick and fun tutorial using our natural hair to create a nice cute ponytail. First things first, I'm just going to be taking down my hair. I had already washed my hair last night and I braided it down so that way it can remain stretched out a little bit so I don't have to put heat on it. So what I'm just doing right now is just taking down those little braided ponytails that I did, my struggle ponytails. And I'm just going to be brushing it out just to fluff up my hair, so I could really be able to work with some nice and detangled hair. So just taking out like a wide tooth comb, just gonna brush it out really quickly. I don't know if you guys knew, but when I did my wash and go, I told you guys that I got a haircut, so my hair is a little bit shorter than it used to be, which I'm kind of sad about, but it's okay because it's much healthier now. But yeah, just brushing out my hair and make sure there's no tangled knots in there because I really want to be able to work with this hair in a way that I'm not going to be hurting. But yeah, I was just doing a little Snapchat videos because I was feeling my afro and I thought I was cute. But yeah, so first things first, what we want to do is slick down the hair, make sure it's really nice and ready for our ponytail. So we're going to be using the Shannon Jam. What this is going to do is really like make sure your hair is slicked down really nice when you put it in a ponytail. Now for the brush that I used, okay, I ended up using 3 different brushes, okay, because I didn't know which one would work well. So this is the second brush I tried using. This did a good job at distributing the product throughout my hair, but it didn't really lay down as much as I would like to. So I ended up going with like a vent brush to really slick it down, which is this brush. I don't know if you would call it a vent brush, but I'm just gonna call it a vent brush. It helped me really like slick down my hair a lot more. And you guys, I tried to put my hair up with this rubber band, and let me tell you, okay, this rubber band was just a hot mess. It literally snapped, and yeah, it was a struggle. So I had to improvise because that was the only rubber band I had that could have even attempted to put my hair up in a ponytail. So I got smart with it. So I just used it to create a band that I could control. So I just used it to slick my hair up in a high ponytail as best as I could. It was quite difficult, but just like use your hands to stretch it in the opposite direction in a crisscross, and you'll be able to get your hair in a nice ponytail. And just secure the bands. Just make sure you tie it really well and tuck it in to the back of your hair to hide, the strings. But yeah, girl, it was a struggle. It was a real struggle. You could wear your hair like this, if you're comfortable with your, natural puff. I thought this was really cute, but I just think my head is so small, so I need something else going on back there to distract you from the size of my peanut head. But don't forget to lay your edges. I like to use my Cream of Nature Edge Control, you guys. It smells the bomb. This smells so freaking good, and I think it did an okay job at sticking down my edges. The only thing about this edge control is that it doesn't last for a while, so it slicks it down for like maybe like a day, and the next day it's like, okay, I'm done. And then you gotta reapply. But yeah, just taking my rat tail comb, I'm just gonna be, swiggling my baby hairs as best as I can. It's kind of annoying because I'm wearing makeup, so makeup was getting on my edges, but don't worry, just use your fingers to kind of wipe it down, and I promise you the makeup is gonna melt right off, girl. So don't forget to grab your silk-based scarf and just lay it on your hair. What this is going to do is give you that wave, okay? Just leave it on here for like 10 minutes, and then you take it out, and your hair is going to be looking so good. It's going to be looking so nice and flat. It's going to be looking so laid, girl. But yeah, what I ended up doing after that was just trying to put my hair in a knot, because I want to be able to put my, the drawstring ponytail on the hair. But the hair we're going to be working with today is called DolaHair. This is 100% virgin hair, and I got my kinky curly ponytail in 24 inches, and you guys, this hair was super duper soft. Now I had a drawstring like ponytail before, but it was not as soft as this. It wasn't, it wasn't manageable, and I still have it to this day, but it's just a hot mess, okay? But this one right here is really nice. It has like clips on both sides, and the string I think on the right hand side of the ponytail is super cute, you guys. It's so soft. This hair felt so amazing, but yeah, I really loved it. It was so easy to work with. But anyway, so I'm just gonna be applying the ponytail and then just taking that string to pull it. What it's gonna do is just secure the ponytail onto your little ponytail that you created, and just pull that rope up and secure it, and you know, just kind of hide your strings by wrapping it around your ponytail and tucking it under, and that's really it. But of course, you know, the hair doesn't really match my texture right now, so you gotta break up the curls. You can't be having those spaghetti curls, you know, going on in your hair, your Indomie looking curls. So you gotta break it up. So I like to use the rat tail comb, and then I ended up going back again with a what do you call it, a weave brush to break up the curls even more. But I decided not to do so much because I wanted to do like what do you call it, a high knot bun with this look. So I didn't want to break the curls up too much because I kind of wanted a little bit of that swirl peeking through when I did the top bun hairstyle, which was super cute. It's just such an effortless hairstyle. I really like the look. Like, I was just playing around, but I ended up actually really liking it. So this is also another option if your hair is not as full and you still want to be able to get this look. This is a really great alternative. So yeah, just try it out, fluff it out with your fingers. Very cute, very effortless, very easy, you know, so easy. A caveman can do it. But yeah, that was so corny, oh my god. But yeah, you guys, this is the look. It's super cute. But yeah, and of course you can just wear it down. Like I said, I went back again with my weave brush just to break up that curls even more, because if I'm wearing it down, I really wanted to match my natural hair texture as best as I can, and the best way I knew how to do that was just to break up that curls, get more of that kinkiness going on, so that way it kind of matches, you know, my natural texture of hair. So yeah, you guys, that's really it. You know, this tutorial was mad simple. I talked all through, which is crazy because I never do that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial because I enjoyed making it for you guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.